Welcome to the Belt and Road face-to-face.
We have very good cooperation, but we can do much better.
Most of the talents in Pakistan go into the defense industry rather than some civil economy.
Many of these projects are developing on a very fast pace.
You are watching the Belt and Road face-to-face. We are moving to the second part, figure. According to Belt and Road Initiative Big Data Report 2017, the popularization of higher education helps to promote informational development. In countries with higher education enrollment rate about 40%, the level of informatization is no less than 61.29%, while in countries with higher education enrollment rate below 40%, the level of informatization is no less than 15.15%. Ms. Bluch, how do you view about this set of data? What's the popularization rate of higher education in Pakistan now?
In 1947, when Pakistan was created, there was only one university in that area. And we have come a long way since then. We have now hundreds of universities and degree awarding institutions in Pakistan. And these they are according to some estimates, they are producing about 500,000 university graduates every year. So it is a good progress, but we think we can do better. And there is a higher education commission in Pakistan that takes this job very seriously. Their responsibility is to ensure high quality higher education. They look at the standards of the universities, the gradation of their work. They ensure that the quality of research that they produce, and the quality of their faculty and of their training facilities. So they are also into a number of scholarships programs for students from lesser developed areas, but also students who are who have excelled in all these important disciplines. And these scholarship programs are not just for Pakistan, but also for foreign universities. They send all these uniquely qualified scholars for PhDs and master's programs in other universities, included in China. We think there is a need for further collaboration between Pakistan and China, although we have very good cooperation, but we can do much better.
Mr. Zhou, what successful experiences are worth learning in China?
Between China and Pakistan is China have more effective collaboration with the European or American university, much better than Pakistan, because not only we have exchanges students program between one university, even I just came back from Sichuan, one university with another, but also they still stay there and they got some examination over there to see whether they have very good visiting scholar program or not. For Pakistan, this is not a strong point. And number two is because your economic development have not popularized every area. So there are some of the weak aspects which they do not they do not need some specialists. So that to say, some of the students who are very good but could not get a good job or suitable job. So most of the talents in Pakistan go into the defense industry rather than some civil industry, civil economy. For these issues, China and Pakistan should have a deep collaboration on that. Thank you.
This is an important point that Professor mentions. It is the retention of our highly qualified people and those who go abroad to study. should come back and contribute to the society and to the development of Pakistan. China has done very well in that respect, and we have to learn from China how it has encouraged its overseas community and the students who study overseas to come back and contribute to the development of China. For that, we also have to provide them opportunities, good opportunities for research and for educational advancement and for contributing to the society. So this is definitely an area I think very rightly pointed out that we can cooperate on and we can learn from the Chinese experience.
Thank you. Now let's expect the question raised from the Vash studio.
हिसाबदादे रेदा पाकिस्तान हायर एजुकेशन लेवल बास शर रहे भले इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर आ पकारा है चरंगे मुंह ने ये जेड़े गिशो गिवारिया शुमे गोरा दराज मुद्दते और गुण मुद्दते प्लान छिया.
What's your point of view?
This is important. Actually, you know, Pakistan has had a very good industrialization and growth rate for many decades until it flattened and became stagnant a few decades back. And there are many aspects to that, many reasons why it happened. But one of the bigger reasons that we have identified is that the shortage of electricity in Pakistan was a big factor why our industry could not really galvanize the way it should have. Energy production is one of the biggest priorities of Pakistan for some time now, and it is one of the key pillars of the China-Pakistan economic corridor,
yes,
where energy and electricity power generation has been prioritized. It is, and many of these projects are developing on a very fast pace. Some of them are already have already been completed, and some of them will be completed next year. We are also working as a part of CPEC to develop these economic zones. We are expecting that some Chinese companies, Chinese factories, which are shutting down because of overcapacity, may be moving to some of these zones. There are also plans to have joint ventures between Pakistan and Chinese companies, and also between Pakistan and some other foreign companies. So these joint ventures will help promote or galvanize the industrialization process in Pakistan.